Children, how are you all? I hope you are all healthy and doing well at home. You must be enjoying the yummy food prepared by your mother, isn't it? Children, these are difficult times, so you need to take care of yourself. You should avoid eating food outside and try as much as possible to eat the food which is prepared at home, so as you will be healthy. I am Husna, faculty of Big Eye Shining Stars, UKG. Today I am here to talk to you about healthy and unhealthy food. Children, shall I tell you a story today? You all love stories, right? I will tell you a story today about a brother and a sister. Once upon a time, there were two children, a brother and a sister. The brother's name was Sonu and the sister was Pinky. Both the children lived with their parents and they loved to eat junk food. They never used to eat any healthy food prepared at home. Their mother used to tell them and give them healthy food to eat. But every time they refused. They wanted to eat only burger, noodles, chips, etc. So one day the mother called both of them and explained to them the importance of healthy food. Both the children listened and Pinky understood what she said and agreed to her mother. But Sonu was very adamant. He said, no, I don't want any of these healthy food. I don't want to eat anything prepared at home. I will eat only pizza and burger because I love to eat only that stuff. So he never listened to his mother and he was usually, as usual, he was eating all this junk food. You know, children, one day what happened? He was playing in the playground with his friends. He suddenly developed severe stomach pain. He had severe stomach pain. He could not tolerate. So he came and told his mother about it. You know what his mother did? She took him to the doctor. The doctor took a big injection first. And first he gave him the injection. It was very painful. Then he asked Sonu, what did you eat, Sonu? So Sonu said, I had burger and chips some time back. So the doctor explained, this is why you had stomach pain. So you should avoid eating junk food. Then Sonu realized the importance of healthy food and promised never to eat junk food again. Okay children, did you understand the story? Okay, very good. Now, children, tell me, what is healthy food? Healthy food is that food which will help you grow taller, stronger and sharp. And what is unhealthy food, children? It is that food which will make you sick and you will feel very weak, isn't it? Yes. Today, shall I show you some of the healthy and unhealthy food, children? I will start with healthy food, okay? What is this, children? Can you see this? Can you read what it is? M-I-L-K. What is it? It is milk. You all love milk, is it? Isn't it? Yeah. So children, you should every day 2 glasses of milk is a must. You should have 2 glasses of milk. One in the morning and one in the evening. See, you can have milk however you want. Like either it can be hot or cold. You can add any of your favorite flavors also to it. You all like Boost, Bournvita, Horlicks, right? Anything you can add and you can have it. It makes your bones strong. It makes your teeth also strong, right? What is this, children? These are almonds, dry fruits. These increase your memory power. They will help you remember things. When you study, what all you study will be remembered. You will not forget it. There are other dry fruits also like walnuts, raisins, etc. Okay? What is this, children? These are fruits. Can you tell me what all fruits you can see in this? There is banana, apple, cherry, grapes, pineapple. So have you heard of the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? What is the meaning of that, children? It means if you eat an apple every day, you will never fall sick. Correct? So you have to eat at least one fruit a day, whichever you like. Any fruit, whichever you like, you can have. Okay? And which season is it now, children? It is mango season. And you know, mango is the king of fruits. And every one of us loves to eat mango. try to eat mango now. Enjoy this mango season. What is this, children? These are green leafy vegetables, and this is spinach. What is this? Spinach. Yeah. You all love palak paneer, right? Mummy makes palak paneer at home, doesn't she? You all love to eat that, isn't it? That is also your green leafy vegetable. So, and this helps you to grow, and it has got lot of calcium which will make your bones strong. And do you all watch Cartoon Network? I know you all watch Cartoon Network. Have you seen the cartoon character Popeye? What does he do? He drinks the juice of the spinach, right? Which will make him strong. Why does he do that? To get strength. Yes. So even you should try to eat as much as green leafy vegetables as possible. Children, can you tell me what is this? These are vegetables. What is this? This is pumpkin, capsicum, you have carrot, then you have corn, brinjal and all that. Children, do you know all these vegetables are very healthy? But many of us don't like to eat vegetables, right? We are very fussy about eating vegetables. But they are very good, children, very good for your health. Especially these carrots, they are very good for your eyesight. They improve your eyesight. You need not wear specs at all. And your tomatoes. We all like to look beautiful and get a healthy and glowing skin, right? So you should eat tomato and carrot, which will make your skin glow. And all the other vegetables also, children. They are very healthy. So try eating cooked vegetables every day. Children, unhealthy food will make you sick and weak. It is not good for your health. It contains lot of oil and sugar content. So what is this, children? This is pizza, which is unhealthy. What is this? See, this is soft drink. It has got a lot of sugar content in it, which is not good for your body. This is burger, children. This is also unhealthy food. These are chocolates. What happens if you eat more chocolates? Your teeth will get spoiled, isn't it? Yes, so try avoiding chocolates. I know, children, you all love to eat noodles. Every day for your snacks, most of the children will bring noodles to school. But we should not eat noodles on a daily basis. It is not good for your health. Okay? So avoid eating noodles. Children, though these junk food looks very children, I know we all love junk food. It is so tempting, it's very tasty also, right? But you know, it is very bad for our health. Children, what do we do usually when we go to movies? What do we eat? We take popcorn, we take soft drink, and you know how bad it is for our health? It will spoil our health. Even though not at once, but later on it will have a very bad effect on our body, right? So children, even if you like junk food, you should have it in small quantities, very little. You should not overeat it, okay? Like healthy food, you have to eat it in very small quantity. Like children, if you watch TV, do you like to watch TV for the whole day? No, you watch it only for some time. You enjoy watching only for some time, right? So that way, even junk food can be eaten only in small quantities. Children, when you come to school, usually what happens? You take holiday, sometimes you fall ill, you miss coming to school, you miss playing with your friends, all that. Why does it happen? Because you fall sick. Your body does not have the strength to fight against these diseases, right? Supposing you get cough and cold. Children, if you eat citrus fruits like oranges and lemon, so this will give your body immunity. You don't know the meaning of immunity, right? Immunity means your body will get the strength to fight against diseases. Okay? So you should have healthy food, children. Children, you will be healthy only if you eat right. You are what you eat. So you have to eat the right amount of food at the right time also. You cannot eat everything at one shot. You have to divide your healthy food into breakfast, lunch and dinner. And you can also have some snacks in the middle, right children? Yeah. So your food should be divided like something you can have something for breakfast. for lunch and something for dinner. And you know, this something should be a healthy mix of all the healthy foods like fruits and vegetables, your butter, pulses, ghee, dry fruits. It should be a mixture of all these things. Okay. So at once you cannot eat everything. Right, children? Okay. Now, shall we all do a rhyme together? Did you enjoy? Did you understand, by the way? Okay. Will you all sing with me? Okay, children. Shall we sing a rhyme together? Okay, say. Eating right is never wrong. Eating makes us healthy and strong. Healthy eating is the way to go. To all those junk foods, just say no. Shall we repeat it again? Eating right is never wrong. Eating healthy is healthy and strong. Healthy eating is the way to go. To all those junk foods, just say no. Okay, children, did you all enjoy this session? Now a tip to the parents. Okay, parents, do encourage your children to have healthy food. And children, you should also listen to your parents and eat healthy food. Children, just a recap of what we did. I will show you some of the healthy and unhealthy vegetables and fruits and unhealthy food again. Okay. So, children, what is this? These are healthy foods. This is broccoli, watermelon, almond, carrot, milk, cherries, nuts, apple, capsicum, grapes, banana. These are all the healthy food. And what is unhealthy is Coke, ice cream, your cake, burger, pizza, chocolates, french fries, lollipop and donuts. These are unhealthy food, children. So did you all enjoy the session today? I hope you all have enjoyed it. So stay safe. Till next time. Goodbye.